Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. This is Prince, your trading friend. Friends, today we are going to watch the Bank Nifty live trading video which we did today. And in case if at all you have any doubts, any confusion, or you need any other support, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. Okay, so this channel is for working people. In case if you are not subscribed still, I recommend you to please subscribe because you'll be getting lots of live trading videos and strategies. Okay, so going forward to today's video, today's live trading video. Yes, so today initially when we saw that when the market opened, Bank Nifty and Nifty was having very good movements. It was on a positive note. Okay, but then as we were doing a trend analysis, I'll just show you the different time frames which we are checking. If at all you're drawing the trend lines, we usually draw the trend lines to identify the direction. So you can see that it is hinting a change in direction. Okay, we can see that the market is reversing and it is coming down. Okay, the same is seen even in our option chain analysis as well. Okay, so if at all you see the 1-day graph also, you can see Bank Nifty is continuously coming down. The 15 minutes candle also showing that the market is coming down. So thereby we can clear cut decide that the market is coming down. So I am selling the call options. So since the market is very volatile, I am trading with only 40 quantity. So you can see that I am just traded with only 40 quantity, and by end of the day I just looked into it, and we made a profit of around 26,000 rupees, friends. So I have placed another stop loss order. I had just placed another one stop loss order, nothing else. So only one was completed. So looking back, the profit is 26,247. So you can see very clearly that without much tension, without any work, today we were able to execute this trade, and it was clear cut single direction today, and everyone were able to find the trend. So you can see that the sell average was 916 and we bought back at 260, thereby giving a profit of around 26,000. So in case if you're trading with full 100 quantity, we would have made double of this, more than 50,000 rupees profit. Never mind, trading is always there, so we don't have to worry. And then quickly updating into our Excel sheet. So 17th March, let us book our profits. Let us note on the profits. So you can see minusing the brokerages, we are only putting 26,000. I don't know to put the full amount. So we can see almost we have got 64,000 made this month already. We started from 9th March and the return is 32%. Friends, it's an excellent performance. We don't have to worry. And I'm not promising always you'll get this kind of returns, but market is moving in one direction. That is why we are able to make this kind of profits. Yes, this is something you can say a rare movement. It's not that it happens always. It's a very rare movement. And when the market is giving such kind of profits, we'll accept it easily. Okay, we are only into, you can say, 6 days into trading, and you can see already we have made 64,000 profit with an investment of 2 lakhs. So we can think of increasing more. Okay, so before just closing, wanted to give you an update that Upstock and Angel Broking are providing 50% discount. They are providing free account opening. So in case if you open the account with the link of my video, available in the description of this video, then you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades and trainings as well. I have training programs in equity as well as in options. So in case if you want to avail that, you want to make use of this, you can make use of this facility available. And friends, as you saw in today's video, it's all the system which you have to learn, clear cut system. I'm not going to change anything. You know that this is all what you have to learn. Entry is clear cut, finding the trend is clear cut, no panicking, no over trading, single trade per day, no much confusion, booking up profits happily, noting down, tracking down the profits. So all this is what you have to learn. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.